Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Genesis. I'm Wale. Today I have something special for you guys. There was a day I was watching Mr. Woods the Boss unbox a Xiaomi product, and also I saw him unboxing this Xiaomi Mi 2 wireless earbud, and I think it was a cool product. And also seeing this, so I figured out why not compare this earbud with other cheaper earbud. In the course of our comparison, we'll be looking at three things. First, the price and the value. Two, the comfort of the earbud, and the last, the quality of the earbud. And at the end of the video, you guys are looking for earbud to buy. I'm going to tell you guys the one to pick, if the Xiaomi is better or you should go for the cheaper options. That is what I'm going to be telling you guys during the course of the video. We have 6 earbud here, and by the end of the video I'm going to be giving away 4 of them. Wait till the end of the video so that you will know how you are going to participate in this giveaway. But first, let us start by unboxing this earbud. Mind you, I have opened some of them. It was out of curiosity, but the rest of them we are going to open them together, and that is what we are going to do right now. Let's start with the Xiaomi. Let's see what is inside. Ooh. Wow, the packaging is really nice. The packaging is better than any of these ones, that's for sure. Okay, and we have the thing for the ear here. Okay, let's see, what do we have again? Okay, we have the manual and what? Don't it have a charger? Where is the charger? No charger inside. No charger. Why? I don't know. I'm not sure why. Let's go for the rest. This one, I've opened this one before. Oh, it's the same thing with the Xiaomi. Almost like the same thing, but different color. I think this one is a little bit bigger. Okay. This is another type. This is like the AirPod, but the black version. And also I think they are the same, but this one is the white. It is also black. Wow. Okay. What do we have inside? We have the manual, and this comes with a charger too. Okay, this is the white here, and this also comes with a charger too. So only the Xiaomi that doesn't come with any charger. Let's see, what do we have here. I'm yet to open this one at all, so I don't know what is inside. Ooh. Wow. Wow. That's a chunky one. This is a Xiaomi product, and I don't know which product it is because I got it from Alibaba. These 3 I got them from Alibaba. Why this one? I got this one from Wish, and the last one, which is this one, I got it from a shop across the street here. Now let's talk about the price. This Xiaomi wireless earbud costs 25 euro. It is the most expensive of the bunch. Why this one I got down from the street cost 10 euro 90 centimes, the second most expensive. Why this one I got from Wish, the sales is about 5 euro, but with the shipping it is 7 euro. And this one is about 6 euro. Why this one is almost 5 euro. And the last one, which is this one, I think I got this one for, let me just say, 2 euro, because there was a discount, so I was able to get this for 2 euro. And I think those are the price for everything. Now that you guys know the price, you already know that this is the cheapest. Judging from the appearance, I believe it is not the best. You have known that it is a really cheap one because of how the case was made. You have known that it is a really cheap one. Now that we have finished the price and you guys had the idea of how much all this product costs now, let's check for the comfort and the fitting in our ear. Let's know how they are going to fit and which one fits better. First, let's go with the Xiaomi. The Xiaomi have the best packaging here, but let's see if the Wow, that's good. This is for the right ear. I've not used this before, so I don't know how it is normally used. And this for left ear. I think they are perfect. They fit perfectly well, but I don't think I can hear anything from outside. Everything is blocked out, but it fits perfectly. Let's go with the other one. This one. Wow, I love it. I think this is the one I love the most. There, the color is something else. The black. I think they use silicone for it. That's nice. That's nice. That is really, really comfortable. Really, really comfortable. I think I prefer this one to the Xiaomi. Really, really good. And let's go for the next one I got from Wish. Let's see. I'm not talking to you. And let's check the next one I got from Wish. Wait. What the fuck is this? Guys, this is an ordinary case. When did I get this one? What is this? When did I get it? I'm not even sure how I got this. It is ordinary case, nothing inside. It is empty. Look at that. Let me see the copy. What the heck? It is empty. What is inside? So I got other carton. I didn't know. Wow. So let's just keep it aside. It is out of the game. This is the one I got from Wish. The one that looks exactly like the Xiaomi, but bigger. Wow. Ooh. Jeez. It is a chunky one. Look at how big it is. It is really, really chunky. Wow. It is not the best. I still think this one is the most comfortable out of the bunch. Too big for my ear. I have a small ear. So let me just put it aside and let's go to the next one. Wow. This is the one I also got from Wish. Comfortable too. It is more comfortable than the one I checked last. It is pretty comfortable. Let's see. That's nice. Now let's check the last one, which is this one. I think this one too will be comfortable. Like I said before, it is pretty comfortable. And I think the champion of comfortable earbud, the fight is among these two. These two, they are one of the most comfortable earbud here. This one will go next. Though it is crappy looking, but I still think it is a little bit comfortable than the Xiaomi. I think the earbud of this shape are more comfortable than the one of this shape. That is my own opinion. That's what I think. And I think this one is going to stay on my ear very well than this. So guys, I'll be giving the first to these two. I think they are the most comfortable out of the bunch here. So guys, I've finished charging them and also I've connected them to my phone. Now it is time for us to check the quality of the sound of the earbud, because that's the reason we want to buy them. Let's check if the most expensive one sound better or the cheapest one sound better. So guys, without further ado, let's start with our test. Now I have my phone here, my Redmi 5 Pro, the one I just bought. Okay, I think we'll go with the Xiaomi first. Let's start with the Xiaomi. I won't lie, I'm not a fan of this Xiaomi. I think the sound is very, very good, especially the bass. I'm hearing the bass a lot. I like to hear bass in an earphone. But unfortunately, only one ear is working. I don't know why the other one is not working. The reason for that, I'm not really sure. Maybe it is going to work later. But it's making a sound, but it's not working. I don't know why. But as you can see, I was moving my head. It is going to fall off. I think that part is supposed to be for the comfort and fitness of the earbud. I don't really like it. I'm not a big fan of it, especially this design. I'm not a big fan of this design at all. I wanted to keep it before, but seeing how it is, I don't think I'll be able to keep it. I'm not a fan of it at all. So let's go with the second most expensive, which is this one. I really like this one. It really fits well. The only thing is that I don't like it because of the silicone that is there. The silicone can easily get dirty. Wow, I think the sound is not that bad. It is almost comparable to this one. It's just that this one has more bars than this one, but this one fits perfectly well and the sound is good, really good. It's almost on par with this one, but I think the bass in this one should a bit more. than that of this one. And I think that is really different there. Apart from that, it is almost comparable. And like I said before, I'm not a big fan of this design at all. It doesn't fit my hair well. But this, no matter how I move my head, no matter how I shake my head, it's still on, and the sound is amazing. I can be joking myself with this one, but I don't think I can with this one. I really don't like that. Now let's go for the next stage. This one, the second I like. And I think this was supposed to be the main boss of it. No, see, they are the same thing. And even they are the same color, just that this one was put in a black silicone. But this one is still white. I think this black is going to stain quite easily than this one. And the maybe is because the silicone is there. So let's just tell this one. Like I said before, it's exactly the same to the last one I just tested now. Exactly the same thing. Sound the same design, it's just different color. That's just the difference between them. It's just the same thing. And their price is different. This one is cheaper than the other one. And I think the reason why this one is cheaper was because I bought this one from online, while I bought the other one in a shop. And I think those are the shop put more price in order to make a profit. While online, it is normal price. So and I think this sound very good. The same thing with the other one. Now let's go for the next one, the one that is like the Xiaomi. Let's test it out. I think this is the worst of the bunch. This is the one I don't even like at all. It's too big. I know there are some people with bigger hair than mine, but geez, these things are giant. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, I'm even struggling to put it in my ear. That is how insane it is. It is not that bad. Not bad. Wow, this thing is really loud, very loud, and I think it is a little bit comfortable than this Xiaomi. Maybe it was the way I was wearing it. I think I changed direction to this way and it fits pretty well, but the sound is something else. The bass is just like that on the Xiaomi, but way louder. And I think because it is way bigger also, so there is a bigger speaker there, and I think that's the main reason. Now for the last but not the least, we have this Big Chungos. Let's check it out. Let's see how good it is. Let's see. Wow, for a very cheap earbud, the sound is not bad at all. The sound is really good, but it is not as good as this Xiaomi. I think this Xiaomi has the best sound out of every one of them, but this one compensated with the thickness. See the way I was shaking my ear, it didn't fall off for once. It really gripped my ear very well than this Xiaomi. And also I think the sound is on par with this one, but a little bit louder. I think because of how big it is, it has a bigger speaker than the smaller ones. It is really good. It's just that it's made of plastic, unlike the rest that is made of ceramics. This is made of plastic. I don't know, no, this is not even plastic, it is glass. Can you hear that? It is made of glass, as if it fall to break. That is how it is. Why this one is made of plastic and the Xiaomi too, why the remaining two, which is this one, is made of glass but has more quality than this one. So guys, now is the time for my final validation. Which one is the best in terms of quality, sound and the fitness? But before I give my validation, let me tell this Xiaomi once more in another way. Let me see if it will fit well, because I think that's the problem with us. No, it doesn't. No, only like this. No, I'm not a big fan of the Xiaomi. I won't think this one fits better than this one. So in terms of the fitness, I'll give these two the first position. They are the one that fit the best, followed by this one and then this one. But unfortunately for Xiaomi, it comes last. The fitness is not really good and it is not that comfortable. And now for the final validation, which one is the overall winner? In terms of price, comfort, feel and quality, I'll be going with this one, this Big Chungos. I'll be going with this. Though the only problem it has is the glass it is made up of, but I think it compensated for that with its price. This I got it for about €1. It is way cheaper than the rest, and it fits well, and they sound a lot like these ones. They sound almost identical to this, and the price is just for €1. That's crazy. And the second position will be going to this one. I was supposed to go for this one, but unfortunately I got this one for €10, but this one for €7, making it cheaper than this one. So this took the second position, and the third position go for this one, and the fourth I'll go with this one for the fourth. And I didn't know before that I would go with this one, but I think this one fits better than this one, and the sound is still better, so that's why I went for this one. The Xiaomi is really good, but unfortunately I can sacrifice the sound for the fitness of the earbud. The fitness of the Xiaomi is really bad. It is not comfortable for me, maybe from other people yes, but for me it is not comfortable, and I don't enjoy having it on my ear, so that's why I didn't go for it. Even this Beats Chungos fits better than the Xiaomi. If you guys need an advice on which earphone to get, I think you should get any of these two, because I know they are not the one in the first position, that this is the second and this is the third. The reason I want you to go for this one is because it fits better, it is smaller, and also the sound are really good. I think this one is going to suit you better than this. I think if you have the kind of a bigger ear than mine, you can go for this one. It is really good. That's why it is at the first position. But for the Xiaomi, I don't think I'm going to buy the Xiaomi, because it does not fit me at all. And so guys, for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away the 4 of this earphone. I want to take the Xiaomi before, but how it fits in my ear, I don't think I can be able to use it. So I'm just going to give out the 4 of this earphone. And if you want to participate in this giveaway and you want to win any one of them, what you have to do is to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also go down to the comment section below and comment done. Once you comment done, put your Twitter handle or Instagram handle beside it. And also make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. They are down in the description box too. That is going to give you a better chance of winning the giveaway. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And remember guys, stay safe and stay healthy. Peace.